midway sawdust. And yet,
Really?
under it all, was the smell of flood, decomposing leaves, and dark storm drain showers. That smell was light. Sometimes it didn't stutter at all. In school, however, it could become so bad that talking became impossible for him. Communication would cease, and Bill's schoolmates would look somewhere else while Bill clucked by this whole sordid business. He thought again and again that it was as if Derry Canal days ended with one final event which everyone had somehow known about, but which no one had quite dared to put down on the daily program of events. If they had, it would have looked like this. Saturday, 9 o'clock p.m. Final band concert featuring...
Uh-oh, you didn't move over. You go in the video. Someone couldn't read the signs. Exit dive. Exit dive.
Something was coming. He heard dragging, lurching footsteps in the grass.
Nope.
He stood on the pedals.
And apparently had abdicated the title of boss of the Borgata that he had founded. Now, after a decade of running the crime family, Costello faced a dangerous challenge from Genovese, who had considered himself the gang's underboss and heir apparent country. Like other members of
there
his
he
family,
goes.
Costello was
Found a way around, I guess. Whoa, why would you stop? Exit dive by that truck. Go! He took the wrong way. Cars only. That doesn't look like a car to me. And remember, folks, I drive a van, not a truck. Nope. Probably the first time I've seen a motorcycle exit dive. Well, thank you for clearing a spot for me, but you can't do that. Really? Come on, get on camera. There you go. It took you long enough. What the on Sunday for the Giants, saying by hook or by crook, even if it was ugly, and it was ugly, they needed to win a football game. There's still obviously issues with this team. Yeah, he was not signaling right. When you look at their offensive play
Three, like bright rockets going off in a night sky. But there was.
That was an exit dive up there. Bum, bum, bum.
Whenever she reached for him, asked him, he said the same thing. I can't remember.
Really?
And he'd reach for his cigarettes and smoke.
No trucks in the left lane, although he might be exiting. I'll give him a pass, I guess. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what that was about. Oh, exit dive in front of that truck.
What the hell?
See how that got screwed up. Just went right through the stop sign.
Of shipments of beer and liquor for Luciano during Prohibition. Siegel
Oh,
supposedly
jeez.
acquired his nickname.
Really?
A judge reviewing charges of a
Exit dive. Nope.
You know, all in all, I said this a couple weeks ago about Daniel Jones. He was talked about in that group of young,
Just ran right through the stop sign. Yeah, people can't read the signs on the on-ramp. Uh-oh, you almost missed your exit. He just went right through the stop. Oh my goodness. Take these broken wings and learn to stop again. What the fuck? Jeez. There we go. Really? You're one of those guys. You are Captain Stupid.
corrupt government officials. This guy has connections everywhere in New York, Trafficante told Regano, with a touch of envy. He's got politicians and judges in
Oh,
his
he
pocket.
just kept going
In the
straight.
political sphere.
Kid, put your phone down!
Is sought by millions of New Yorkers from the state. An inexpensive rent-subsidized apartment.
Oh, you got honked at for stopping.
Ideal for
You
New
got
York,
that
though.
big lane
The
to
apartment
merge
was located
into.
in a desirable
Exit kind of dive. Yeah. Ba-na-na-na.
was to establish himself as boss of the combined family, and thereby become the country's
Exit
most
dive.
important mafia don.
Really? Get off your phone. Really, you're doing that? Well, at least it gave me an opportunity to turn. Really? Oh, school bus ran the red light. Red.
Trim his budget. Armed with the FBI's glowing public reputation, and with his
Oh,
bureaucratic
that school bus up
skills,
there.
Hoover
Really?
Wonderful.
No trucks in the left lane. lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. You cannot be in the left lane. What the hell are you doing? Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more because there's definitely going to be more. Okay, bye.